My name is Stefan Höller. I'm responsible for the product development, and I'm as well product manager in the processing units department at Krones. We present our new holistic energy concept. It's so-called the high gravity heating. The main purpose is for the production of plant-based milk alternatives as well as for the production of milk mixed drinks. The main idea is the combination of our Steinecker oat-based production process with a direct steam injection or infusion skid, our VarioAsept D, and the Krones Equitherm energy recovery system. During a standard process, we get, for example, the oat base, and we heat it up to a temperature about 80 degrees and send it to the steam infusion chamber or alternative into a steam injection to heat it up until we've reached 140 degrees. And then after the holding time, we have a very rapid cooling down typically to 80 degrees. This is the same temperature level as we sent the product prior to the steam injection or infusion. This also ensures that we remove all the water which will be added during the heating process in the form of steam. So we remove the same amount of water as we add during the heating. With high gravity heating, we get a high concentrated oat base. We treat it in the same way. We heat it up to 80 degrees and then to 140. And then we cool it down only to 95 degrees. So this means we dilute the product, this high concentrated product. We blend it to the final water content in the product. This has several advantages. The first one is that we need less cooling on the flash cooler itself, on the condenser. The second one, we receive the product with 95 degrees out of the flash cooler, and we can use this surplus of energy in our internal heat recovery to heat up the cold product to 80 degrees. So therefore, typically then no additional energy like steam is needed. And the biggest advantage is on the flash cooler we have the condenser to condense the brewing. This condenser needs to be cooled. We also can increase the energy level or temperature level of this water circuit up to 90 degrees, and we will transfer this energy to the Krones Equitherm concept. We store it in an energy storage tank, and yes, we increase the energy level in this tank up to 90 degrees, and this energy can be directly reused, for example, during the mashing of the oat base.